I'm Tom Okop. I was born in Road, Manila, but I've been here in Tacloban since 2014. So basically, I've been here for almost 12 years. And right now, I'm connected with in the car industry. I sell trucks and heavy equipments, and most of my clients are government. And since then, I'm working hard, roaming around the whole region. And sometime of 5 years ago, nagkaroon ng health problems, which is actually nagkaroon ako ng mild stroke. Half of my body na paralyzed. Ang findings na nagkaroon ako mild stroke is because of the high blood sugar. Nag-shoot up yung sugar ko from 392, which is the normal is at nasa 100 lang. Then, aside from that, so tumas din yung BP ko from 220 over 110. So yun na, nagkaroon ng complications. Since then, I was prescribed by a doctor na mga different kinds of synthetic medicine. That's around 7 different medicines. Nahirapan ako sa pag-recover ng health ko, the mere fact, while taking medicines for the past 5 years, napansin ko yung energy level talaga nag-drop down. Until such time, nagkaroon ako ng communication, reconnection with this person. So, na-introduce sa akin yung product ng Alpha, which is the breakthrough and the immortality. Since then, after taking for almost a month, dahan-dahan ko nang natatanggal yung mga medicines. Until on my second month, totally, I stopped my medications, synthetic drugs. I'm taking full with the immortality and breakthrough, which is the triple stem cells. So until now, I'm using it for more than 2 months. I feel the energy level was totally different and I can sleep well because last year, nagkaroon ako ng experience na depression and anxiety. So hindi ako nakakatulog for the past 2 months. When I took this triple stem cell, after taking it in about 5 to 10 minutes before going to bed, tulog agad. It's very good that talagang deep sleep. Again, this product that I took for the past 2 months, it really helps me a lot in my case. Kasi before, yung hindi pa ako nakaka-take ng triple stem cell and immortality, pag hindi ako nakaka-take ng mga medicines, nahihilo ako, especially pag naka-skip ako ng meal. So that's the experience that I'm having since I'm taking the medicines for the past 5 years. But I was amazed when I took these 2 kinds of products. Since then, hindi na ako nahihilo, taas ng energy level. So far, I feel good. One of the important things also is nakasave ako. It really helps me a lot. So I recommend na encourage those people there na maggamit rin kayo na itong mga produktong to, especially the triple stem cells. It really helps you a lot. If you're diabetic like me, so I encourage you people to take this product.